Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide to adjust screen colors for better visibility and comfort. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down, press on display and brightness. Now here you can see the option of screen color. Press on this. Now here you can see three options of color mode: standard, professional and bright. You can choose one of them which you want. Or if you want to customize your screen color, you just have to turn off the button of eye protection mode. From here, you can choose your screen color. That's it. So this is how you can adjust screen color for better visibility and comfort. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.